Welcome to Jenny's Kitchen. We are about to bake bread. We have flour, sugar, and yeast, an egg, butter, and milk. Now we carefully measure the flour. Into the glass bowl it goes. Next, we take a measured amount of sugar and disperse it across the top. Finally, we add a pinch of salt, Our bread is ready. Do like and subscribe to Jenny's Kitchen.